Hey there, LabelLens fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you see through the food label fog and make better choices for your health. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of, drumroll, nutrition facts. Yes, those little boxes on the back of your favorite foods that you may or may not have been ignoring. I know. Reading these labels can seem like reading a foreign language, but by the end of this video, you'll be a label reading pro. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Serving size, the starting line. First things first, serving size. This is where it all begins. It's the amount of food the nutrition facts are based on. And let me tell you this, they can be very sneaky. Hold up a bag of chips and a small bowl of almonds. Take these chips. It says the serving size is just 12 chips. But be honest with me, who stops at 12 chips? Not me. So, if you eat more than 12, you need to adjust everything else on the label. Now, compare that to this bag of almonds. Serving size, 23 almonds. So, when you're snacking, remember to keep the real portions in mind. 2. Calories, what you're working with. Next up, calories. This is how much energy you're getting from one serving. Remember, that's one serving, not the whole bag. So, if this sugary cereal says 180 calories per serving, and you pour yourself a big bowl with 3 servings, boom! That's 540 calories before you even add milk. Compare that to a bowl of healthy oats, which only has about 120 calories per serving, much friendlier on the waistline. Watch out, cereal lovers, those sneaky calories add up. 2. Total fat. Good fats versus bad fats. Now let's talk fat. It's not all bad, I promise. Your body needs fat, but it's about choosing the right kinds. Take this avocado. It's got about 15 grams of fat per serving, but it's the good kind, heart-healthy, unsaturated fat. Now, compare that to these fried chips, also with 15 grams of fat per serving, but 5 grams of that is saturated fat, the kind you want to eat less of. And don't even get me started on trans fats. If you see that on a label, just put it back. 4. Sodium, the salt shocker. Okay, who's ready for a salt shocker? That's right, we're talking sodium. Too much sodium can raise your blood pressure and give your heart a hard time. Check this out. 1 serving of instant noodles, just one, has over 1,000 milligrams of sodium. Yikes! Considering the daily recommended limit is around 2,300 milligrams, that's almost half in just a snack. Compare that to a low-sodium soup that only has 140 milligrams, much better for your heart. 5. Carbs. Don't fear, just be smart. Next up, carbs. Yes, carbs are not the enemy, friends. You just have to choose wisely. Hold up a candy bar and a pack of whole grain oats. A candy bar might have 45 grams of carbs, and 30 of those are from sugar. Not great, right? But whole grain oats, same number of carbs, but they come with fiber and just 1 gram of sugar. That's what we call a smart carb choice. 6. Fiber, your digestive BFF. Speaking of fiber, it's your digestive system's best friend. High-fiber foods keep you full longer and help with digestion. These beans have a whopping 7 grams of fiber per serving. Perfect! But this white bread? 0 fiber. It's basically just empty calories. 7. Sugars. How sweet is too sweet? Okay, let's talk sugar. There's total sugar and added sugar. You want to keep added sugars as low as possible. Yikes! Some flavored yogurts have more added sugar than a candy bar. Compare that to plain Greek yogurt. Just 6 grams of naturally occurring sugar from the milk itself, and no added sugar. Big difference. Pro tip: add your own fresh fruit to plain yogurt for a healthier, naturally sweet option. 8. Protein, the powerhouse nutrient. Now onto protein, the powerhouse of nutrients. Protein helps build muscle and keeps you feeling full. Chicken breast? Boom! 20 grams of protein. Chips? 2 grams. You get way more nutritional bang for your buck with protein-packed foods. 9. Percentage daily value. The cheat sheet. Last but not least, Percentage daily value. This handy guide shows how much a nutrient contributes to your daily intake. Less than 5%? That's low. Over 20%? That's high. For example, this cereal has 25% of your daily calcium needs in just one serving. That's a win. But if something has 40% of your daily sodium? Uh-oh, slow down. And there you have it, LabelLens fam. Now you know how to read those nutrition labels like a pro. Remember, it's all about balance, making smart choices, and understanding what you're putting in your body. Choices equals healthy living. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more LabelLens tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep reading those labels. See you next time, label lovers!
Oh.